Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the Victory theme and the updated Arsenal add-on are installed and active. This gives you the components you'll manipulate. Once done, back up your live site and spin up a staging copy so you can test safely. Make sure debug mode is on so errors surface. Note current theme and plugin settings for rollback. These first actions let you experiment without risk and give you a clear baseline to compare later changes and performance. You now walk through the Arsenal dashboard to enable the core modules you need. Pick only essentials to avoid bloat. Next, configure layout presets, choose grid, masonry, or full width, and preview each on several page templates to confirm responsiveness. Then optimize assets, enable lazy load for images, combine CSS and JS where safe, and activate minification to reduce payloads. These steps improve load times, and you finish by testing thoroughly across browsers and devices. Check at least 3 breakpoints and interact with key pages to confirm behavior. Once stable, monitor performance metrics like TTFB, LCP, and layout shift to verify improvements. Small gains prove optimizations worked. If something breaks, disable the last changed Arsenal module or setting and retest. If unresolved, restore your staging backup and reapply changes one at a time. This reduces downtime and isolates the cause so you can fix or report it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.